poppin'? It's your boy, Cahden the Don, Redpill, I'm in the building. What up, boys? So anyway, man, today's topic gonna be she will replace you, bro. Cause she will. She will replace you, bro. We finna talk about it. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button. Y'all already know, man. Anyway, bro, she'll replace you if you not on your grind. She'll replace you if you not coming across as the alpha male. She'll replace you if you not doing the right things to trigger her feelings. But why though? Like, why are women so quick to replace you, bro? It's two reasons. Like, it's really two reasons behind it. One is because, think about it. If you a guy, right? And you got a bad female, and she only give you half the things that you want, right? And then there's this bad female who come along who give you all of the things that you want, right? Who are you going to go with? It's a natural response, a natural progression, bro. You're going to go with the female who gives you more and she just as bad. So think about that. A lot of you dudes who in no contact, a lot of you dudes who your girl, she left you for some other dude, or she monkey branching, or you feel like she about to leave you. This is why, bro, because you not putting forth that foot that says, look, I'm in control of this. I got this under control. I'm working on myself. I'm becoming my best self. I'm upgrading. You know what I mean? So she feel like she could do better. What is monkey branching, bro? Monkey branching is when you go from one guy and then you set up the replacement. She will set your replacement, bro. And I want to go in depth into that. The fact that she will set your replacement up before you ever fucking know anything wrong in a relationship, bro. Women usually know ahead of time, bro, that something wrong in a relationship. But nah, she ain't gonna come talk to you for the most part. Women don't come talk to you. They don't come tell you what's wrong. They drop you hints. They might get attitudes or drop you hints, but they never tell you straight up what's wrong. Oh, you just not good in bed like as you have been in the past. Or you just not spending enough time with her. But guess what? Or you not making the same amount of money no more. Like, and that could be a big problem for her. But you don't think it's a big problem. You just think, oh man, I'm going through a little bit of a hard time. It's gonna all get better. My girl's still behind me. But she not though. She not behind you at all, bro. Cause she will replace you. She set up your replacement. Think about it. And I ain't trying to be negative. I'm just trying to open y'all boys' eyes up to the truth out here, bro. Anyway, she will replace you. She might be setting up. You might not know it, bro. She might be on Tinder right now swiping, looking for the next dude, bro, to give her the next bit of action. And then she ain't going to leave you. She never leave you. She not going to leave you until she finds somebody who she definitively feels is better, bro. That is what monkey branching is. That's what they do. They monkey branch on to the next one. Not all of them. Don't get me wrong. Not all of them do it. Some of them are just straight up leave, bro. But for the most part, women usually set their replacement before you ever know what's wrong. That's why it's always important to put your best foot forward, bro. You have to be out here doing your best as a man. And that don't mean you gonna get guaranteed results just because you get into six-figure earning and all of that. That just means you increase your chances for having great results by 20-30%. And a 20-30% increase in business and anything, that's a good thing for me, bro. I don't know what you mean, but for me, bro, that's a good increase in anything that I do, bro. 20-30%. So you really got to think about it, dog. Do you want to be the dude who get left by the girl, bro? Or do you want to be the dude who the girl leaves some other dude for? You know what I mean? And you got to keep in mind that if she'll leave some other dude for you, she'll leave you for some other dude. But think about that. Just on a basic level, bro. Do you want to be the dude who she leave for some other dude? Or do you want to be the dude who she leaves some other dude for? And you got to really think about that, bro. You got to really take that into consideration. I know a lot of you dudes on the channel, y'all come here because you in no contact, or you found my videos because you was trying to get a female back. But you have to understand, the only way you gonna do that, the only way you gonna prevent yourself from being the dude who she like, well, yeah, that was a downgrade compared to what I'm doing now. And the difference between that and her feeling like, man, I just can't find an upgrade for this person. Maybe it was me. The difference between her feeling like that, bro, is you putting work in. You understanding female nature, bro. You becoming more red-pilled in your actions and more alpha in your actions as a man, bro. You have to get to that point, bro. But with that said, this is just a short video. I want to drop it. I want to remind y'all that she will replace you if you're not putting your work in, bro. And I just need you to know that. If you lurking, man, hit the sub button, dude. Hit the sub button. Stop it. Otherwise, man, like, comment. Your boy Cahden, man. I'm out of here, dude.